Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I got this look right here. It's a halo eye using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. So I haven't personally used this palette in a really long time, so I wanted to give it another go. I know a lot of my videos are using this palette. I just love it so much, and I wanted to reconnect with that love of the palette. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get to it. Okay, so today, don't mind the dirtiness, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, my trusty Jaclyn Hill palette, which is a mess, as you can see. And I don't have the names. This palette came with no names. So I'm going to go into this color here, and that's going to go all the way above that crease. And then windscreen motions back and forth. Just building up that color slowly. So taking a little bit at a time and then building it up. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this color here, which I use pretty much the most of, and that's going to go in that same position up above that crease area. Don't mind about there, we'll clean all that up. Alright, so now I'm getting the Sigma E25, and I'm going to go into this orangey shade right here, and I'm going to put that still pretty much in my crease and blending it upwards. Alright, and taking that color here, I'm going to go on the outer corner and packing it on, going up into that crease area and putting it on my inner corner too, and also blending that up above my crease again too. Just so then we do use concealer to cut out the halo part, you can still see all them colors up above. So I'm going to go in with this dark brown here with that same brush, and going to pack it on the outside, that same spot. Pretty much just keep going over it, and that'll kind of give it a more of a gradient effect as well. And then I'm going to get that same blending brush, E27, and I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines that are up the top there. Okay, so now I'm going to get some trusty concealer, and I'm going to get my concealer brush, and I'm going to do a bigger line up the top, but I want to come down on a diagonal. Like so. And then just putting that kind of on a diagonal way, so it kind of goes in a little bit. And then I'm just going to dab just to get rid of that excess, and then going back in with this E25 brush and just kind of fixing up the outer corner. And inner corner. Then on the top, I'm going to get just a little definer brush and take that red color, and just going to go above that line that we created. Just to define it a little bit more. So I'm going to use a little bit of the Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm going to just dab that on that middle area. I don't need it precise or anything, because that's where I want the most glow, in the middle. So I'm just going to dab that on, and then just getting the E10 brush, I'm going to put this color here, this end pink color, and I'm going to pack that on the center of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with this lighter one here, this one, and I'm going to go over the top just to see if I can get that a little bit brighter here, like so. And then blending in using that red color. Okay, so now I'm going to do some winged eyeliner. I'm cleaning up underneath my eyes as well. I'm putting on mascara. I'm going to be using the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. And then I'm just going to put on my lashes, just reusing some old pair of lashes that I have, that are mine obviously. Okay, it's very, very windy outside, so I'm so sorry if you can hear that noise. Like, it's really, really windy out there. That's crazy. Alright, I'm going to quickly do the face. I'm not going to go through it too much because you kind of know the gist of it. I'm still using the same stuff. So the Hangover Primer. And then the Fenty Beauty Foundation. Again, I'm mixing the two. Okay, and highlighting underneath the eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape, like always, because it's my favorite, and concealing all of them circles. Okay, so now for underneath the eyes, I'm going to take, if I can hold this properly, this one here, and that's gonna sweep pretty much all the way under the eye. And then going to take this orangey one, and I'm just gonna lightly put that on top. Okay, and I'm going to put some eyeliner, the Essence eyeliner, on my waterline. And getting the E20 Sigma brush and going in with this dark brown color here. I'm going to smudge out that liner. The rest of the face, I'm going to switch up my bronzer. I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Tantric bronzer today. I'm going to bronze my face with that, I think. Just try out something different. I'm actually really liking this bronzer. Okay, going with the Marc Jacobs into contour with the Marc Jacobs contour kit, and this one is the Instamark and the Dream Filter, so I'm going to use that brownie colour there to contour. And this time I'm not going to use powder because I'll probably forget it again. For blush, we're going to switch it up again and not use that palette. Not use that palette that we always use. We are going to Too Faced Love Hangover palette, I think, today. Not palette, blush. Highlighter. Let's go with MAC Soft and Gentle. I'm going to use the Sigma Tapered Highlighter. That's better. Yesterday my highlighter didn't really show up. Actually, I'm going to use a little bit for my inner corners. For lips, I'm going to mix 2 of the melted liquefied lipstick in Chihuahua and Sugar, and they turn out to be the perfect nude. Oh, sorry, I just forgot to put my microphone on, so I've been talking, so fingers crossed you could hear me. This is the finished look. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and also click the like button. It lets me know that you like my stuff. So yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.